equal 37. Flight level 360, estimated change 2312. Go on board 2010.
And Lido 2236, change 2312 Aaron, fuel 20.0. 30 miles prior change, call 13505, your cell phone.
Good evening, just 2404, Niner 3.
JetBlue 2404, New York,
Requesting cell call check, Alpha Hotel, Kilo Mike.
Roger, heard this.
Call check is good, thank you, just 404.
Clear.
New York Radio, Lancargo 1503 on 8846.
Lancargo 1503, New York, go ahead.
We are CTBMC, 3710, Captain
Alpha Lima Golf Hotel confirm. Roger, secondary now 17946. And at 4430 north, call Gander. The primary there is 5616. Backup 8891, your cell call.
Contact is okay, secondary now 17946 at 4430 north. Alpha 95616, December, secondary 8891.
New York to Air Canada 1363, position 2241 over Dazer, level 380. Estimated Derek 2302, static is max, you on board 6.2.
I had Dazer 2241, flight level 380, estimate Derek 67, fuel 6.2. What was the time you were estimating Derek, please?
Derek 2302.
Okay, I copy. 02 for Derek.
And a 136,
Here.
New York Secure Flight 3937 on 8825.
Stand by. Stay close, man.
And Secure Flight 3937.
Copy, Secure Flight 3937, New York, go ahead.
New York Secure Flight 3937, it's in the Mach clock time 2244. Level 360, Mach decimal 79. Engineering Derek, time 2322. Static is over.
I copy your Mach 2244, flight level 360, Mach 79, Derek 2322, next up Static. Alright, here. Sorry, look here, that backup with me is 11309, here's something.
Yeah, good show, Cohen, back at 11309, Secure Flight 393. New York Western 2103 position.
Cool, New York, say again.
Western 2103 position, over EMACO time 2246, flight level 300, Mach 78, estimating Derek at 2323, and Merrick is next.
I copy the Mako 2246, estimate Derek 2323. Next up, Merrick, just confirm that was 30, flight level 300 at the Mako.
And that is affirmative. We're on flight level 300 for electric 2103.
Copy here.
Radio, New York Radio, air travel at 684 on 8846.
Transit 684, New York, what's your cell call code?
Echo Sierra, Mike Papa.
Echo Sierra, Mike Papa.
Air travel at 665. Hotel check open.
Okay, backup now is 6577.
Backup 6577. That's 8 for Mike.
Hotel India 1055, New York, go ahead.
1055, contact 2246, Hotel 10, Mach 30,
Dot 2246, 410, Mach 80, 4x2327, Flamer next at 4X. Contact the picture guarding configure at 4X. Call me.
We'll call you at 4X. Hopefully they won't do a 5.
Clear. Correct. Both gone to 46th Street, New York CPDLC. You have Gander and 6 Santa Maria next.
Gander, 4th Street.
Roger. My secondary is 179er 46. At 4.5 north, call Gander on 889er 1. Backup 5616. So.
This is a 436. What's up, call? You'll make 4794 at 4550 north, Gander on 8891 to head on
2507 position.
Which 2507, you're good.
What's the 2507 with Mike Calvin, 2255, flight level 340. Estimating ZZ top 2328. Oxana next. Cell call Delta Papa Hotel Romeo, market 4021.
Calvin 2255 340. ZZ top 2328 Oxana. Fuel squawk is 4021, 50 miles from ZZ top. 126.02. Stand by for cell call.
Alright, it's a good cell call. We took 50 something South New York on 12602, 12507. Thanks, good night.
Good night.
Papa, Delta.
American 954 Papa here, cell call.
Okay, and then you're back to
6577.
577 tonight. Video, I know we 8906, Santa Maria, over 40 West, Erie,
Area 0266 New York, back to gas at 559er. 40 West Santa Maria, 6628, back to gas 3016, yourself.
Area 0266, Circle Circle Bay, at 455,908, at 40 to the west,
Gazer 2256, Mach 79, Derek 2317, next Savage Fuel 10.51333, and just confirm that flight level 340, please.
340, Rouge, 133.
Look at my back on 14009,
call check, Rouge 1839, 1833, sorry.
New York, Air Transat 612 for cell call.
Air Transat 612, New York, cell call.
Cell call check is positive and your backup is 6577, Air Transat 612.
New York, we're here for the position.
Coming 529er, sorry, stand by Caribbean. Moving Caribbean 529er, New York, go ahead.
Caribbean 529er, check, Nebraska, 2309er, flight level 330, estimate land speed, 2316, back next, fuel 8 decimal 8, go ahead.
I copy, departure 2309, flight level 330, estimate hand speed 2316, that's the tank, and my secondary now is 550, and at bank, or excuse me, at Hansi, change over 134.3 is cell call.
Okay, back up 5550 at Hansi, 134.3 with San Juan, Caribbean 529, good night.
Sorry, correction, my backup is 6586, 6586.
Caribbean 529, good night.
Stand by for a pirate, break Delta 2985.
Go ahead for Delta 2985.
Are you ready to copy a pirate?
Ready, copy Delta 2985.
Roger, Hotel India, you ready to copy?
Ready, copy Delta 105.
New York KBC advises Delta 2985 and Hotel India 1055. Fire reported at 2942 North, 7006 West at 2308 by an Alpha 320. It's at flight level 300. Occasional light to moderate turbulence. I copy. Delta 2985. Hotel India 1055. I copy.
Copy all, local 1055.
New York. So 1971 New York. Go ahead.
Delta 1971, reporting for 2311. 2354.
Forex 2311340, ONGOT 2354 Chaucer at ONGOT 12602. Here's telephone.
Delta 1971, good SoCal check. Flight level 340, fuel load 15 decimal jet.
Say that last again.
Delta 1971, SoCal check, good fuel, 5 decimal 0, flight level 340.
340 and 25.0, thank you. ONGOT 12602. Delta 1971.
Delta 1971, ONGOT 1602.
12602 and clear.
12602 for Delta 1.
New York ATC cleared. Delta 1971, reduce speed to Mach 783 back.
Delta 1971, slow to Mach 78, will come.
Thank you, Delta 1971, read that correct. Here. American 2525, near good.
American 2525, that's an Alito 23112, flight level 320. And 231. There was 216 decimal 2. We had moderate turbulence on 10 south of Alito.
Yeah, mod turbulence 10 miles south of Alito, continuing to present. Alito 2311360, James 2348 Aaron, fuel 16.3, and 30 miles prior to James, call 13505, your cell call.
Regional miles south of James, contact 25.0 from the
Requesting Mach 760, ride, stand by.
United 1220, Pacific.
United 1820, New York,
United 1220, check Galvin 2313, flight level 340. VV top 2351 of Pasco. Fuel 127.
Galvin 2318-340, CJ top 2351, Oksana, fuel 18.7, 50 miles from ZZ top, call 126.02, cell call.
Central Texas, was that 5 miles from VV top on 2602?
Yes, 50.
Alright, thanks, United 820.
New York, good evening, JetBlue 2404 on A918.
7 on 8918.
The dual transmission was that WestJet vehicle, please?
WestJet 27907 on 8918.
I copy WestJet 2797 New York, go ahead.
WestJet 2797. Request flight level 240. Mach decimal 73, estimating PST at 2328, Labo. And request for cell tower, set Golf Quebec Bravo Hotel.
I copy Lucky 2328, next Rob Bravo, and you are requesting now flight level 340, confirm?
Affirmative, WestJet 2797, request flight level 340.
Copy that. My secondary 6586. Call me back at Lucky. Here's cell call.
SoCal WestJet 2797 will call you at Lucky on 655.
Negative, call me here, 8918 at Lusty, but also stand by on flight level 340, stand by.
Okay, we'll stand by and we'll call you on 8918 West at 279.
New York, and flight standing by, steering call sign.
JetBlue 2404 on 8.
JetBlue 2404, New York, thank you for standing by. Confirm CPDLC. Secondary with me is 5520, here's cell call.
Cell call check is good for JetBlue 2404. We are CPDLC. Backup is 6520. Check 404.
Backup 5520,
5520 for backup. JetBlue 2404.
Here. Start take call sign again. Sorry, A158 New York, confirm CPDLC, and what is your next FIR? Is it Santa Maria or Gander?
Sorry, 158, we are
Sorry, sir, can you say your next FIR is it Santa Maria or Gander, please? Okay, copy that. Secondary with me is 8906 at 4430 North. Call Gander on 5616, backup 8891, your cell phone.
Radio JetBlue 561 on 8933.
JetBlue 561, go ahead.
This is going to the cell call center for JetBlue 561. Cell call center for JetBlue 561. Thank you.
51. Call direct, standby, standby.
Go ahead to WestJet 2797.
WestJet 2797, New York ATC advises unable due to traffic on that requested flight level, and I also have a pirate for you when ready to copy.
Go ahead to WestJet 2797.
Okay, New York ATC advises WestJet 2797, pirate reported at 2942 North, 7006 West at 2308 Zulu at flight level 300, running Alpha 320, occasional light to moderate turbulence. I'll copy.
Okay, we copy like Colorado Turbulence, WestJet 2797. We will be checking since we will stay at flight level 320, WestJet 2797.
Copy, thank you, New York. And flight camera by steering call sign again, 219. Have a steering call sign, turn on. 1876, say your full call sign, sir. Copy that, American 1876 New York. Thank you for standing by. Go ahead. Go ahead, copy Vinso 2323. Flight level 360, we Bronco 2356, next Elkono, fuel 18, and decimal 4. My secondary is 6586. And stand by for phone call.
Cell call, secondary 6586. Thank you.
Here. Please say your call sign again. Copy, thank you, Caleb. 28 New York CPDLC, and backup is going to be 8906. And I'm sorry, sir, you did say Gander was your next FIR. And at 4430 North, 4430 North, call Gander. backup 8891, good council. Here. Say your call factor? And so WestJet 21. Copy WestJet 21970. Go ahead. Okay, WestJet 2197. Say 13, sir, and then 2325. And flight level 320, number 78. That's 18, Melbourne, and then 2341. And then Canon 2344. Billboard 1. I copy CSR 2325, flight level 360, Mach 70, David, next 2341, and then Canex, fuel on board 18.8, my secondary is 6586, and my so-call. So what's that there? Call 365.
New York, WestJet 2797, position.
WestJet 2797, New York, go ahead.
WestJet 2797 over Lexi 2328, flight level 320, estimating Laval 2341, Graham next.
Alright, I copy Lucky 2328, flight level 320, estimate Rainbow 2341, next Graham, and say your squawk code again, please.
Squawk 4062, WestJet 2797.
I copy 4062, thank you. Dual transmission Air Portugal Player, call sign Air Portugal. Air Portugal 224, New York, from CPLC. Secondary is 906. And just confirm your next FIR is Santa Maria. Copy that, sir, at 040 West Santa Maria 6628, backup 3016. And phone call. Good day, dear. I copy United 164 New York, go ahead.
United 1648, number 340, 162.com.
Copy United 1648, flight level 340, Bravo, Lima Golf Kilo. Just say that squawk code again.
Squawk 3362, United 168.
3362, backup is 6586, here is cell call. And United 2024, still standing by.
456.
Alright, when you get next, United 2024. United 2024, check it out, we got a position for you. Yes, sir, and I do have a PIREP as well. You want me to read that first before you give a position? Yeah, go ahead. Yes, sir, New York ATC advised United 2024 PIREP reported at 2842 West at 2316 Zulu at flight level 360 via Boeing 738, moderate turbulence, and I have a second PIREP as well if you want that, if you're ready for that one. Okay, ready, copy. New York ATC advises United 2024 PIREP reported at 2901 North, 7555 West at 2336 Zulu at flight level 370 by an altitude 350, moderate turbulence. Okay. Copy those PIREP, moderate turbulence, United 2024, we got a position of pass 19, you take it. Yes, sir, go ahead. United 2024, Leton at 2336 Zulu, flight level 320. Estimated leader 0007 Zulu. James
next. 2.5. Squawk 3367, Northwest Airplane, Charlie Echo, Fox Golf.
I copied Recon 2336, flight level 320, Alito 0007, next change, fuel 22.5, squawk 3367, my backup is 6586, and at Alito, you can change over to 5520 and hit so-called.
Good cell call, copy 6586 for the backup, and have Alito 5020, United 2024.
And Sterling, standby, one more moment, standby.
456, 89.
Okay, was there another Sterling standby?
Yeah, Sterling, 456, report.
Okay, Sterling, 456, New York, go ahead.
Roger, still copy. Good cell, 2325, flight level 34, Moscow, 2359, Erie.
I copy Vinto 2325, flight level 340, Moscow 2359, next position direct. My secondary is 6586, and Aggie Moscow, change over to 5520, hit so-called.
Moscow call, understand, next primary 846, that's Moscow,
That's 5520, Aggie Moscow, 5520. Sterling, I copy. Sterling, Moscow is 5520, 5520.
Say again, sir, 456?
Aggie Moscow, change over 5520, 5520.
5520, 456.
Yeah. Picking up the
2197 there.
Okay, west side of 2197 position, McNevin at the 2341, level 3, and the position channel at level 2, position channel at the 2345, level 306, attention waiting at 0001, and port
Capital primary 5520, backup 2962.
Neon Tech, can you say the backup again?
2962.
Okay, 5520, at the primary 2962 at Tech 3. By the way, we'd like to confirm our DPCLC was.
Change over now, 5520, backup 2962.
This is not 520. That's not 520.
What's up, Blue 2830?
Jumper 2830, number.
Just Blue 2830 at flight level 340, we're 43 miles south of Kansas. We are keeping location for 80 minutes.
Area 5520, Stockholm coming up.
Check okay. Company 5520, Jumper 2830.
Westjet 2757.
Standby.
Ready for 91. 4
Standby. The Qatar flight standing by. Go ahead.
Good in, here.
Secondary 8906. Began their boundary. Primary 5616. Secondary 8891.
Here your radio Qatari 8142, press contact. Okay, Qatar 8906. Forward with Gotcha, 515 second time 8891.
Iberia 03 Sierra Victor, go ahead.
Next FIR. Secondary 8906, 40 West Santa Maria, 6628, 3016. Question 2797, go ahead.
Flashback 2797, position over Rabel 2341, flight level 220, estimating Grumman 0009, Juliet November, Fox next.
Level 2341320, Graham 0009er, John Fox next. For Graham on 5520.
5520 at the Grumman, let's get to 797.
United 1648, go ahead.
United 1648, position, wind hold 2346, flight level 340, estimate Galvin 0028, Canuck, next fuel 19.5, clocking 3362.
Wind hold 2346340, Galvin 0028, Canuck, next fuel 19.1.
19.5, United 1648.
19.5, report Galvin on 5520.
Report Galvin at 5520, 164.
5 position, record 2348, 450, Alito 0036, Dakota 3.3 decimal, 0.6. Sagan, what's those numbers you gave after Dakota? Dakota is 3.6. What is your cell phone? What are you spoken? Just all I have two high reps when you're ready to copy. Moderate turbulence reported at position 284 north, 7432 west, level 360, reported by a Boeing 738 at time 2316. And the other one, also moderate turbulence at position 2901 north, 755 west, level 370, reported by an Airbus 35 kilo at time 2336. The Fort Alito on position, Fort Alito on HF 5520. Flight standing by for New York, go ahead.